How to make boomerang video from camera roll on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make boomerang video from your camera roll on your Instagram app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Instagram app. Tap here, then tap on story. If you tap on camera, you will get the option to record and make a boomerang. But if you want to make boomerang of a video from your camera roll, select video. Tap on these three dots. If you see the boomerang option here, then you can make a boomerang of the video. But if you don't see the boomerang option here, that means you have one of the latest versions of the Instagram app and Instagram has removed the boomerang feature in its latest updates, or the boomerang feature is not available in your region. Now what you can do is that go to the Play Store or App Store and search for Boomerang. You will find many apps that will help you turn videos from your camera roll into boomerang. Turn the video you want into boomerang through any of these apps and then upload it to your story. So this is how you can make boomerang videos and upload them to your story if the feature is not available to you.